Hey guys, what up? Welcome back to the channel. So it's definitely a tough day here in America, and it's kind of a heavy. It's hard to even smile. Really, it's fake. A lot of crap going on, and I don't really know where to start. I'm definitely far from a social justice warrior or anything like that. I'm barely even involved in politics. Um, I don't have solutions, but I'm not sure. I did want to say one thing. I'm not sure that there's not a forced agenda. That there's somebody in a higher position um, causing this stuff to happen. You know, like I said, I don't have all the facts. I don't have all the answers, and I'm no expert on the matter. But it's definitely saddening to see stuff like that video of Mr. Floyd. That's terrible. But to me, it felt kind of staged, like it was something that was done on purpose. Somebody has another agenda they're trying to cram down our throat. But that's just my take on it, guys. It's definitely racism. It's definitely wrong, and those cops deserve everything they get. But it feels a little staged to me, guys. They want us against each other. They wanna put us against each other, and have the UN come in and have all our freedoms taken away, and it's just a bad situation, guys. I hope we don't fall for it. We need to unite. You know, black people and white people, brown people and black people, all of us, Asian people, whatever. It doesn't matter your skin color. We have to unite against this kind of stuff. United we stand, divided we fall. That's pretty much it, guys. Anyway, I'm not gonna go into this anymore. I'm definitely a little sad today. I decided to come down here to Panther Island Pavilion and fly my drone. I got my DJI Mavic 2 Pro here, and yeah, like I said, I looked around at some of the parks. I couldn't find no people that wanted to play. Nobody looked like they was really in a good mood, so I didn't want to bother people. It's kind of funny to ask them if they want to play with a car with you anyway. Kind of silly. Anyway, guys, I'm down here at Panther Island Pavilion, right next to downtown and right next to the Trinity River. I wanted to do some drone flying. There is some helicopters, so I'm gonna have to stay way away from them. Like, they're over here, so I'm gonna fly that way. And I'm probably only gonna go up maybe 80 or 100 feet at the most. I'm gonna stay kind of low, just above the trees, probably even like 50 feet. Try to steer clear of them helicopters. Try to stay way under them. But I just wanted to do some drone flying, check out the Trinity, check out some of the bridges around here, and there's supposed to be some protests going on, so I was gonna check that out and see what we can see. See if they're being peaceful or if they're turning violent or what. Kind of got a heavy heart from everything that's going on, and hopefully things get better. Hopefully we can unite and stuff. Here we go, guys. Roll that drone footage. Alright guys, that was pretty cool, huh? I love flying around down here. That was awesome footage. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you do, leave me a like. I got one battery left. I'm gonna fly up straight over the middle of downtown in sport mode and then come back. And that's gonna be the end of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Here we go.